Welcome to a tutorial on setting up a personality questionnaire on my.psycruit. psycruit allows you to build your own personality questionnaire so you can tap directly into the traits you are seeking in your recruitment and development drives. You can pick any combination of the 46 scales available to power your bespoke questionnaire. Click and create the new personality questionnaire will get the process started. Step 1. Create your personality questionnaire by giving it a name and description. As default, a description is provided, but there is the option to tailor this to the client's preferences. Click Next to move on to Step 2. Here, a client can choose the scales to be included in the personality questionnaire. For help in choosing the ideal traits, the information button on each scale details the profile of someone high or low in that trait. A minimum of 9 and a maximum of 30 scales are required. There is also the option to choose our off-the-shelf Criterion Core or Enhanced questionnaires, offering a deep insight across a breadth of elements of personality. These are great options if you're looking to use our model-based reports, including the team, sales and leadership reports, which require certain scales to power the algorithms behind them. Click Next to move on to Step 3. Here, a client can assign scales to headings. Our default headings encompass 5 areas of personality that help you better understand your candidate's approach to work. These include interpersonal style, thinking style, emotional style, motivational values and culture fit. For more information on these, visit psycruit.com. Clients have the option to move headings around, rename them and drag any of the scales to different headings according to their company values or competency framework. Click Next to move on to Step 4. Here a client can review their created personality questionnaire, checking all the details and scales are correct. Please note that once a questionnaire has been published, it cannot be amended. Click Publish to move on. Here a client can create a job match profile. Before the questionnaire is used for a client's campaign, our job match feature allows the client to tell psycruit what good looks like to them. The default scale shows candidates scoring high on particular personality traits to be more desirable than those lower in the scale. Simply drag the sliders to the mirror image if the opposite is true. For example, if the job role requires a candidate to take their time in considering all options before making a decision, then those scoring lower in the decisive scale may be a better fit for the role. You can also job match to a middling score of 5 or 6 if a client requires someone who can balance or flex their style accordingly. Once you are happy, simply return back to the campaign setup to finish and send the campaign to prospective candidates. And that's it! Just 5 simple steps to designing a bespoke personality questionnaire.